for the first time in history, a man appeared in India, and his name is Sri Ramakrishna. He, for the first time, practiced Sufi Islam, being a Hindu saint, and he went to a number of mosques. He used to pray namaz to Allah and taught the Muslims how, being a Hindu, one can love God as Allah. Then he went to 2 churches and he had the Christian sadhana. He prayed to Christ. He had the vision of Christ. He had the vision of Mother Mary and the small baby child Jesus. And he also came to the conclusion that Christianity and Sufi Islam lead to same God. Sri Ramakrishna is the first saint in the history of mankind who practiced all Hindu sadhanas, and then he practiced Sufi Islam, then he practiced Christianity. That's why today the greatest world thinkers like Arnold J. Toynbee, the Nobel Prize winner historian Arnold J. Toynbee, called Ramakrishna as the savior of modern civilization, who can save the world from sheer thermonuclear disasters, because the whole world is standing at the point blank range of killing each other. Sri Ramakrishna used to love a song. He liked a song. It is a Sufi song written by last Mughal emperor of India, Bahadur Shah Zafar. And Swami Vivekananda used to sing this song to him. It begins with, तुझसे हमने दिल को लगाया जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, काबा में क्या देवल में क्या, तेरी परस्तिश होगी सब जहां मैं देखा तू ही नजर आया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, तुझसे हमने दिल को लगाया जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, एक तुझको अपना पाया जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, काबा में क्या दिबल में क्या, तेरी परस्तिश होगी सब जहाँ मैं देखा तू ही नजर आया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, क्या मलायक क्या इंसान, क्या हिंदू क्या मुसलमान, क्या मलायक क्या इंसान, क्या हिंदू क्या मुसलमान, जैसे चाहा तूने बनाया, जैसे चाहा तूने बनाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, तुझसे हमने दिल को लगाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है. Sri Ramakrishna is the first saint of the world who inspired a new religious movement, a new Hinduism, which celebrates Christmas in Ramakrishna temples, which celebrate Buddha's birthday, Mahavira's birthday, Guru Nanak's birthday, even Eid festival in our Ramakrishna Hindu temples. It's a new world movement. As early as 1906, Swami Vivekananda started and his brother disciples completed the whole project. The first Hindu temple was made in San Francisco in 1906. This is a great monument to the world. The first Hindu temple in the West had the top of a church, the top of a mosque, the top of a pagoda, the top of a Hindu temple. Today, this temple is considered as America's heritage building. After that, the great Ramakrishna temple in Belur Math was started. For the first time, a Hindu temple of the highest stature had a Muslim Saracenic dome, a Buddhist entrance facade, a Gothic Christian hall, a Muslim filigree work. All religions, all architectures of the world were represented. That's why Sri Ramakrishna was considered the first great spiritual man in history, who went to mosque, who went to church, who went to the temples and prayed to the same Brahman. The great Muslim poet of Bengal, Qazi Nazrul Islam, wrote a very famous song celebrating Ramakrishna as the supreme guru of modern mankind. He used the word Parama Guru, Siddha Yogi, Matri Bhakti Yogavata.